Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 7th. Okay, so students in a class 7th, as you know, I have started your chapter 13 and which is belong to the physics chapter. And what is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is electric current and its effect. Okay, so students, yesterday I told you about the miniature circuit breaker, which is which is also used for the breaking circuit when the excess amount of electricity is flowing in a wire. Okay, so yesterday I also told you about what is the difference, and I given the homework also. So whenever I will take your live class, I will ask your what I given. Okay, today in this video I'm just going to telling you about the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so student, this is chapter belong to the electric current and its effect. So the heating effect I told you and I hope you have understood. And now I'm just going to telling you the second effect, which is belong to the magnet. Okay, so firstly students, before going to telling you, I'm telling you what is the magnet. You know what is a magnet? Magnet are the substance which are attracted by the magnet are the substance which are attracted iron like substance. Okay, which have the two poles, that is the positive or negative poles. That okay, and always we can say this like pole, that is a positive repel each other, and the unlike pole, that is a positive negative, that is attract each other. Okay, now what is the property of magnet? You know magnet when magnet attract the irons like substance. Okay, so here what is the connection between electricity and the magnet? Okay, so students, when the electricity is the wire is in contact of the iron like a substance, then what will be happen when the electricity is transferred or flowing in a substance like iron? Then what will be happen? Then the iron or a substance, iron like substance behave like a magnet, and they also attract the other substance which can magnet attract. Okay, so here the two things you have to know about the magnet. First one, the current carrying conductor behave like a magnet. Always remember students, any conductor, what is here I'm saying conductor. So what is the conductor students? Conductor are the substance which can conduct electricity. Okay, good conductor of heat and electricity, in which we can say that the current can be flow. Okay, now current carrying conductor behave like a magnet. What is this? You know, activity is also given. There is a compox. The compox is deflected when it is come in contact of electric current. Okay. Now the two things you have to know in this topic. The first one, what is an electromagnet, and second one is a solenoid. Okay. So an electromagnet is expression by the name. Electromagnet means the magnet which is behave like a magnet in when the electricity is passed on it. Okay, now what is electromagnet? You can write here when you take any soft iron, okay, iron like substance, and then wrap the wire, and when you supply the current on it, then what will be happen? That iron is behave like a magnet and start attracting to other iron like a substance. Okay, so I have made the here diagram. This one is a soft iron. Generally you have to take a soft iron and wrap the wire here. So wire conduct electricity, then electricity is conduct, then this iron which is inside of it, that shows the electricity, magnetic effect. Okay, now what is the solenoid? Solenoid is also behave like a magnet. And what is a solenoid? So in a solenoid, it is a round shape, it means cylindrical shape, or also inside it the hollow iron like substance, and it is also wrapped with the wire. Okay, so these both, the electromagnet and a solenoid, both are the very important to show the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, now we can say that a solenoid is a device that can be used for as an electromagnet. It is made of a long rod that has been wounded many times. Okay, and its shape is a long electrical. And now what is the strength of the electromagnet? Depend on the number of turns to wire around the pole and the amount of current passing through it. And now this one, what is the strength? How can say that word? The strength of it means how much it show the electric magnetic effect. So what is the strength of an electromagnet? So how much the wrapping of the electric wire, that electromagnet, yeah, we can say that electromagnet shows the magnetic effect. Okay, now One thing also, the an electromagnet, the substance which is covered by the wire, electric wire, that is known as a core. Also, so you have to know. Now, the more number of turns, the more will be the magnetic effect. The iron nail attracts more number of a safety pin when wrapped with a coil with more number of turns. What will you have? Okay, here I am saying ki how much as much as you wrap the wires, that substance which is inside of it, that shows more magnetic effect. Here given the example in your book, the iron needle can attract more and more pins when it's wrapped by the more and more wire. Okay, now what will be happen in the current passing through it? The coil is switched off. The iron piece will lose its magnetic effect. It will stop behaving like a magnet and thus will not attract the safety pin. Okay, so obviously if an electromagnet is showing the magnetic effect when the electricity is providing, okay, yeah, when the electricity is flowing, but when we switched off of the electric wire, we can say that when they stop the electric transfer of flowing of the electric current, so what will be happen? The magnet, the substance like a iron, that stop the behaving like a magnet. Okay, so this is the magnetic effect of electric current. You have to know only this. Now what is the use of the electromagnet and solenoid, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, you have to in this video you have to read the three basic things. Firstly, what is a magnet and how magnet shows the electric, yeah, how and any magnet shows magnetic, any substance shows magnetic effect by electricity. Okay, now what is an electromagnet and what is a solenoid? Both structure you have to also know, so you have to practice the both structure. Okay, on tomorrow I will tell you about the uses of an electromagnet. One thing I am telling you students, because of in a live class not all students is joined because of a network issue or a problem, so I am just continuous making the video. So students, view all video is reaching in you in all the near to all, because of I download it also in a YouTube. Okay, and then after it is go in your iGuru app. So you have to 100%, it means you have to must watch the videos properly. Clear? If you not understand anything and have any query, so you can ask in my live class. I will take a live class. Okay, but after finishing this chapter. Okay, so now this is all about of my today's class, and this is the ending of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.